Apple pie French toast. In winter's cold morning, this warm apple pie French toast will be a great treat for you and your loved ones. This is how I make the scrumptious French toast. Bismillah. In a wide dish, arrange 6 slices of brioche bread. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Whisk together and pour it over bread slices. Cover and let it sit at least 2 hours or overnight in refrigerator. Meanwhile, make apple pie filling. You will need 7 to 8 peeled, cored and thinly sliced medium-sized apples. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, pinch of nutmeg powder, 1/2 cup of butter. If butter is unsalted, add 1 teaspoon of salt. In 1/4 cup of water, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix well. And add 2 apples. Mix all well. Cook on medium heat by stirring occasionally until butter melts down and mixture gets thick. Turn off the stove. Apple pie filling is ready to serve with French toast or to make a pie or different kind of desserts. You can also freeze this apple pie filling up to 2 months for later use. On medium heat in a frying pan, melt tablespoon of butter. You can always reduce the butter accordingly. Toast the slices on medium to low heat from both sides. Once turned golden brown from both sides, remove and serve immediately with apple pie filling. Garnish with whipped cream, cream cheese frosting, sprinkle some cinnamon powder. Optional. Caramel toffee chips or dollop of butter optional. Drizzle caramel sauce, maple syrup or honey. If you like this recipe, kindly hit the like button and comments below. Note the ingredients. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.